And now viewers, winter has tightened its grip on northern India as the blinding fog and biting cold disrupted air, road and rail traffic across at least 10 states. We're getting you visuals from northern India, right from Rajasthan to Jammu and Kashmir, and this is what northern India is looking like right now under the grip of harsh cold winter. Now officials have issued red and orange alerts across large parts of Indo-Gangetic plains. This happens after a vast fog-covered stretches right from Kashmir through Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand as well as West Bengal. Now when we talk about air traffic at Delhi's IGI airport, flight operations were hit for the fifth straight day. As many as 66 arrivals and 63 departures were cancelled, while over 600 flights faced delays, averaging more than 30 minutes. Now, the Airports Authority of India has warned that passengers could face more delays due to poor visibility, and therefore, it has been advised for the travellers to check their flight updates and allow some extra time. Delhi Airport has also issued a passenger advisory assuring winter-ready operations. Now on the ground, highways also turned hazardous. The Union Road Transport Ministry sent safety alerts to drivers, urging caution, and this amid low visibility after multiple pile-ups were reported on expressways. And viewers, it is not just the air or the road traffic that has been impacted. Rail traffic was also badly affected, with about 4 to 6 hour delays reported at New Delhi railway station, especially on long distances routes. Meanwhile, Delhi NCR recorded its first cold wave of the season. Saturday, in fact, was the coldest December day so far, with the maximum temperature plunging to just 16.9 degrees Celsius, over 5 degrees below the normal level. Morning visibility also dropped to just about 200 meters at Safdarjung, as the IMD has now warned of dense to very dense fog, issuing an orange alert for today. Now viewers, temperatures are expected to hover around 23 degrees maximum and 9 degrees minimum as winter conditions continue to intensify in northern India.
इस समय एक एक्टिव वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंस है जो नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया को आने वाले 3 से 4 दिन प्रभाव करेगा। उसके प्रभाव से हमारा अनुमान है कि पूरा हिमालयन रीजन में लाइट मॉडरेट रेनफॉल स्नोफॉल एक्टिविटी लगातार चलती रहेगी 3 दिनों तक, और उसके साथ ही कल के लिए 21 के लिए हमारा हैवी रेनफॉल हैवी स्नोफॉल का भी अनुमान है जो कश्मीर वैली में हो सकती है, और उसके साथ प्लेन्स में भी स्पेसिफिकली पंजाब के जो नॉर्थन पार्ट हैं, पठानकोट और जॉइनिंग एरिया, वहां भी हल्का फुल्का रेनफॉल आने वाले 3 दिनों में हो सकता है।